In 2,599, I got the lowest configuration Redmi K90 phone again. No need for you to say anything, I'll directly recommend it to you through gaming. Let's first take a look at the appearance. Screen-wise, 6.59 inches, resolution 2510 by 1156, refresh rate 120 Hz, metal frame, glass back.
This one I have is a white one, and the back feels very smooth. You can see on the right side of the camera module, there's a Sound by Bose label. I saw online tests where they play a short piece of music, so I'll simply play a short piece for everyone to hear the sound. Quality. Okay, brothers, how do you feel after listening?
In terms of performance, it has the Snapdragon 8 Ultimate Edition processor with 12 plus 256, a 7,100 mAh battery, and 100 watt charging. My system version is 3.0.9. In performance mode, I ran a simple benchmark, scoring 3,200,000 points, surpassing 98% of users.
In terms of gaming, HDR is 90, high definition is 90, balanced is 90, and smooth is 120 frames. We have smooth 120 frames. Before playing at 1080p, remember to turn on the extreme mode and set the touch enhancement to the highest responsiveness. Trial 17.1, battery at 87. Let's start directly. Okay, let's get into the game.
Oh, low frame rate. Let's wait a bit. Stabilize it. 105, 117. Okay, 119. No problem. Just go for it.
I move left and right at the birthplace, 100, okay, no problem. Moving is still quite responsive, no problem. We directly jump to 109 for a moment, passing through the clouds, 112, okay, how many? 16, no rush, let's check later. 21, 22, still rising, no rush, 25, 118, 26, okay, that's enough.
Oh, adding so much more. Oh, no rush, guys. Oh, 27 in the end, let me see, alright, not looking, not looking.
Okay, brothers, we played for 52 minutes. The phone shows 41.4, battery remaining at 72%, consumed 15%. We see an average of 117. Over 50 minutes, this is the record for a whole game.
So about the frame rate situation, you see this round has these small fluctuations back and forth. This round has these small fluctuations back and forth. This round has these small fluctuations back and forth. All in this themed area with more than 20 people. I have to say a few words about the responsiveness. When I play, once I get to this themed area for gunfights, or these small gunfight spots during gunfights when pulling the gun, I feel it's particularly strenuous. What exactly does it feel like?
It's just that I can't move it. I'm not using any special tools. I just rely on moving left and right. Anyway, when I play, as soon as I get to this theme area, I personally feel that when I encounter someone, I can't move smoothly in a gunfight. But in other situations, there's no problem. Like in the wild areas, moving left and right is no issue at all. So have you ever, when your phone arrives, played a couple of rounds of PUBG? How's the overall performance?